In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We'll move from a simple Google search all the way to generating a project timeline dashboard with Notion AI, keeping everything clear and efficient so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Notion into the search bar. In the results, look for the official Notion site. It should clearly show the Notion brand and the domain ending with notion.com. Click that result to go straight to the homepage. Using the official site helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get the latest features and the most secure experience. Once you're on the Notion website, go ahead and select Login. Choose your preferred sign-in method, whether that's with an email, a single sign-on provider, or another option you normally use. If you're part of multiple workspaces, pick the one where you want this new dashboard to live. Give the page a moment to load. Notion will bring you into your workspace home or your most recent page. Inside Notion, locate the Notion AI entry point. Depending on your interface, you may see an AI button in the sidebar, a prompt area at the top of a page, or an option within the command menu. Click that to open the AI prompt box. This is where you'll guide the tool with a clear instruction. In the prompt field, type Build a project timeline dashboard, and specify whether you want it created as a page or as a database. If you're unsure which to choose, here's a quick tip. A page is great for a simple, narrative-friendly layout with sections like goals, milestones, and notes. A database is better when you want structured information you can sort, filter, and view on a timeline, including fields such as task name, owner, start and end dates, and status. Adding that context in your prompt helps Notion AI generate something much closer to what you need on the first try. After the AI generates the result, look for the item titled Project Timeline Dashboard. Click on that to open it. You'll see the content the AI created based on your prompt. Take a moment to scan the structure, confirm that the key elements you care about are present, and note any placeholders you may want to fill in later, like project phases or deadlines. That's it. You used Google to reach Notion, logged in securely, invoked Notion AI with a precise request, and opened your new project timeline dashboard. Save your changes, and you're ready to begin planning with clarity.